Production's humming. Until it isn't. Calibration due? One instrument could halt the whole production line. An overdue calibration can become a bottleneck, or worse, downtime. But with Fluke Premium Care, you can keep calibrating. No stress. No unplanned downtime. No unexpected costs. When your instrument is due for calibration, just ship it to Fluke and stay on schedule with priority turnaround time. You'll get exclusive access to original parts, diagnostics, and support from the same experts who built your equipment. Expert repairs, firmware updates, and preventative maintenance will ensure compliance, accuracy, and maintain your warranty. With dedicated priority support and fast turnaround, you can stay focused on what matters without the hassle. Fluke Premium Care. Protect your investment. Boost ROI. Trust the manufacturer. Keep your calibration instruments running at their best.